place today with a very special cart and a very special car. Well, among others, but one we're actually highlighting today. Because today we have a KBD glow-in-the-dark Stage 5 taxi garage crazy cart. So this is our normal Stage 5 with a little bit of twist that we've added in the KBD logoing with an XTG because this is a collab cart. So KBD, if you've seen on some of our cars, is the polyurethane body kit company that's nearly indestructible with a lifetime warranty. So with that, we built this Stage 5 so it's nearly indestructible and has a warranty. Now it's not lifetime, but it does have a warranty. This is a taxi garage standard cart, Stage 5, gusseting, extra welding for the reinforcement, our TG signature neck, CST front grippy boy tire, 900 watt motor, a taxi garage 48 volt controller, 48 volt battery, also printed in glow in the dark. Come around, signature grip we always run, and our TG wide casters to allow that baby to spin. So this thing's got all the looks and all the sauce. Even throwing the chain grease off. Look at that.
Not on my lens.
Not the lens. So this is a Prismatic Powder, which I'm actually wearing the shirt today, because they help us make these cool projects come to life. It is Glowbee, so this is a full glow-in-the-dark. Casey's gonna cut to some really cool shots and drops and photos. So Irving, the owner of KBD, he's a character. I really enjoy just his presence on social media and things of that such. But basically he wanted something that he could take to the track, do a little bit of promo, and have fun. So that is exactly this.
Does Irving know how to ride carts?
I don't know how to ride them.
No, does Irving?
Oh, Irving has no idea how to ride carts.
He's gonna die.
So Irving has never even had a crazy cart, and he went for full-blown Stage 5 because he's like, well, the only way to do it is all the way. And at that point, he also said, well, we have to make it full glow in the dark. So that's what we've done. We've succeeded. And then this thing's going to go all the way to the West Coast in Cali, and you'll see it at local drift events. We're going to rip it, but probably not here. And
maybe a donut.
Maybe a donut. And then behind is this very special R33 built, like BR Racing, built R33 with a GTR front end, full R34 subframe, drivetrain, and a top secret built RB26 stroker motor. Like we're getting into this car, so this car is not for sale as the time we're shooting this right now, but it just imported. It was sitting in the Netherlands for a little while and was built by B Racing. So if you guys have any type of JDM knowledge, the little anti-lag rev limiter boxes that you see on almost every car, that's the same company. So it is a true R33 GTR with all of the 34 bits, even down to period correct personal steering wheel, carbon gauge pod, GTR mats, leather wrapped GTR seats, which are a really cool tidbit, notorious GTR key that everyone wants. Grip. So this is a really cool tidbits, very period correct, very well built car. You know, I haven't really even seen anything that's strange. Most of the Japanese cars have some really weird stuff. This one you could tell whoever built it, built it professionally. It is a wide body on top of an already wide body car. So R33 GTR does come wide body, and then they went to an even wider set of fenders. And then they've got this really cool GTR add-on drag wing. I'm stoked on this car, and obviously to be able to pair the Taxi Garage Stage 5 cart with this car, and John allowing us to come into his facility with open arms is awesome. Bullet Motorsports is where we are in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and he does special cars, classic cars, unique cars. And if you kind of pan over the stuff that he's got, you know, gasser cars, Bel Airs, Corvettes, Trans Ams, Vipers outside, Grand Nationals, trucks, Lightnings. So you got to go to his site, check out his really cool stuff. So stay tuned to the next Grip and Ship build breakdown, maybe even car collab with them. Comment what you guys like to see. Do you like to see us ripping them? Do you like the technical side? Do you like the car integration? We just keep trying to make the channel better and more fun, more entertaining for you guys. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God! Oh my! What happened?
I don't know, the throttle broke.
Ooh.
And my ankle got twisted all the way back. That was the worst idea ever.
It was your
I almost
idea.
just broke my foot, legitimately, because you hit it early and I hit it late. Oh, that was horrible. Wow, my shit's black and blue already.
What do you say for yourself?
I don't think I hit it early.
Play the tape. I came outside, I heard some ruckus going on. I heard KBD got dropped off and I come outside and
Come on, get some sun, get some sun.
gotta get in the sun.